What is up guys, today we will be talking about how you guys can fix Roblox game stuck on loading screen. Now, suppose you go to Roblox on their website and then simply try to play Roblox game. What happens is whenever you try to run any of the game, it stuck on the loading screen and it keeps on loading on your computer. Suppose I want to play any of the games, I'm just going to choose any other random game and then I'm going to select play it. Now, the Roblox launcher will obviously load up. Once the Roblox launcher is loaded up, you will be able to see that it is, like stuck. So it is just opened up in my other screen. Let me just grab it quickly for you on the other screen. So it just stuck in the loading and it won't load up. It happened to me before. So in that case, how can you fix it? In this case, you simply have to reinstall the Roblox launcher. For that, what you have to do is you simply have to press Windows plus I key. So Windows press I key will open up the settings for you. Now, in the settings, you have to go to apps. In the apps, you just have to go to installed apps. Now, in the installed apps, you will be able to see all of these apps, but you have to search for Roblox. Now, searching the Roblox will pop up the Roblox. Just double click on these things and then uninstall. Now, uninstalling it will actually remove it from your whole computer. Once the Roblox player is uninstalled, you just have to install it back again. For that, just go back to Roblox, click on this play button. It will start to look something like that, and here it will start to download. If it doesn't, as you can see, just click on this button and there you go, your download will start. Click on that installed file and you will be able to play Roblox without any problem. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.